Nothing special, it's just a couple of old bits of pipe and a little bit of sheet metal welded together. Just wanted to touch on the V-Dub Run 21 also, following on from Mike, Brent and Gary's live discussion video. They was talking about what they actually wanted to get completed by the end of the year. So I don't necessarily like setting myself any goals or any deadlines, but I'm going to say that I would like to get some paint on the bus before December 31st. So that's my goal. So what's yours? Just remember to use the hashtag VDubRun21 just so everyone can find the videos with ease. What I've done is I've just notched out the pipe where those 3 screws are so you can keep the cancellation ring on the actual wheel itself. Right, so that's my one going back on the wall. Now I've got 2 of those to give away, and if you'd like to enter the competition, just put a little thumbs up emoji in the comments below. What I'll do is I'll leave the competition open for a little while just to generate some interest. I'll put a closing date for it in the description below. So make sure you don't miss the deadline, and feel free to tell anyone in your dub community if they're interested in winning something like that. Might even get myself a few more cheeky little subs. This competition is open for everybody, by the way, so anyone outside the UK I'll post to, doesn't matter. What I'll do is I'll figure out a way later on to choose a winner from random, so make it better than it was. See you next time.